is up, you guys? We're back again with another video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're here with my 2006 Honda CRF450X. Her name is Susie, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding some carbon fiber parts to it. You know how much I like carbon fiber. So I only made it right that we're going to add some carbon fiber parts to Susie right over here. And let me just show you guys what we got. We basically got a... Right here it goes on the exhaust headers right there. It's basically a carbon fiber heat shield. You know, it's made out of real carbon fiber. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I mean, it's very strong, as you know how carbon fiber is. And pretty much, you know, it has right here, it looks like a tinfoil material, you know, to obviously contain the heat. And we also got this piece, which is a chain guard right here. It's a very small piece, but you know, made out of 100% real carbon fiber, made from a company, I believe it was called Pro Carbon Racing. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna definitely leave a link down in the bio, so if you guys want to buy one for your Honda CRF450X, you can definitely buy it. One thing that I saw was that I accidentally ordered the wrong piece. However, because these pieces do come from the UK, it takes a long time. It took about almost a month for this to come in, and I honestly just don't want to ship it back and go through all the trouble. So it fits decently okay. I mean, it's supposed to go on like this, you know, and all it does is this area right here just sticks up a little bit, which I mean, in my opinion, isn't that bad. But I mean, what I could always do is just cut the carbon fiber right here and then just apply that piece there, you know, just to make it look better. But I mean, in my opinion, it doesn't look horrible, but it's nothing too hard of an install. You just take out the hardware there and put it right through that hole and pretty much just install it. Same thing goes for this chain guard shield. Pretty much it just comes with some spacers right here. Basically all you got to do is just get the hardware, you know, put the bolts through, and you got some spacers here that just go right there. And this basically just replaces the old dinky plastic chain guard that was on there, and you obviously just put this through and then just bolt it up. It's honestly very simple. It's not a hard install at all, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so this is pretty much a close in-depth look of these carbon fiber pieces right now. Alright, and here is the heat shield. Alright, and pretty much the piece just goes on to right here. So what we're gonna do is just loosen up the hardware right there. Just gonna place it there. Put this bolt in. Just finger tight it right now. And then you can just adjust it. Alright, and what we're just going to do is we're just going to get our 8mm wrench and just tighten this bad boy up. Can obviously line it up, make sure everything fits properly. Alright, so this is pretty much what I was talking about, that the carbon fiber just sticks up and over the actual exhaust. Kind of looks a little stupid, but you know, it kind of holds in the actual this in place. And overall I can always just cut it from right there and then just put that bolt on there, but I'll just leave it like that for now. Alright, so pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna be getting this bracket here and just putting it right there, aligning it there, and it shouldn't be too hard. And we're just gonna grab our carbon fiber piece, and we're just gonna put the spacers in between the bolts. just like that. And basically I'm gonna put that bracket there too. And you're just gonna finger tighten them at first. Okay, now we're just gonna get our 8mm wrench again and just tighten these up. It's pretty simple, it's just these two bolts, but I'll show you how it looks after. And just like that, it is on, sturdy. Got yourself a nice chain sprocket cover right there in carbon fiber. Give you guys a better look of it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for me. It's just a small, quick, simple video that I just wanted to do on my carbon fiber pieces that I ordered for this Honda CRF450X. Hope you guys like it, and I'll make sure to include the link to where I purchased this. And